You're right. It's easy to do the right thing when nothing's at stake. And it's hard to do the right thing when it means, maybe even getting arrested for it. And that's what happened in this case, Stanton v. State. So Stanton is in Key West during the Goombay Festival. This is another excuse for Key West to kind of get all dressed up, or some people get dressed down. That's often the case. They have a great time. Naturally, this event draws a bit of shenanigans, as we've come to expect from Key West. And Stanton, getting back to Stanton is getting harassed by this drug dealer during the Goombay Festival. This drug dealer asked Stanton several times, "What are you looking for, man? What are you looking for? What are you looking for?" But he isn't looking for anything. This drug dealer doesn't give up. Dealer hands Stanton something. On the house, man. On the house. Come back if you want more. Now, this scenario is a bit odd because we don't see street-level drug samples. Like some sort of maybe like a frozen yogurt shop that wants you to taste their new rainbow unicorn flavor. I mean, I don't want to taste a unicorn. That flavor is not appealing to me. But, I haven't met a frozen yogurt flavor that I didn't find appealing in some way. So, getting back to Stanton, he is given cocaine for free. Free coke. And some of you out there are probably like, honey, we are heading to the Goombay Festival in Key West this year. Free samples. But not so fast, folks. Let me give you the rest of the story. So Stanton even admits, hey, I've had a long-standing cocaine problem, but he resisted this sample even with an addiction. It's unbelievable the strength this Stanton had. And he takes this cocaine to the first cop he can find. He points out the drug dealer. Cop, look, I will snitch on this guy. I will help you get him off the street. But the cop isn't, he's not buying it. And he arrests Stanton for possession of cocaine. The prosecutor even heard this story too and still reasoned, well, Stanton possessed cocaine, so he's guilty of possession. That's as far as they wanted to think. Again, these guys and gals are all heart. Man, I'm telling you. This Stanton guy gets convicted of possession of cocaine, and he appeals his conviction, and he won. Thank God the appellate court threw the possession of cocaine out. They were correct when they said, look, it is actually legal under Florida law to temporarily possess drugs if you're going to throw them away, destroy them, or give them to the police. That's what Stanton did. But this poor Stanton guy is addicted to cocaine, gets a free sample of coke, offers to help the police, work undercover. For all that good deed, he gets arrested and has to go up on appeal. If he just put the stuff up his nose, we wouldn't even be having this conversation. So, poor guy, no good deed goes unpunished, might be the lesson for today. Stanton did the right thing. It's just bad that it took the court system so long to do the right thing for him.